How to sync Candy Crush Saga with a King's account. Open Candy Crush Saga. Tap the settings icon at top right corner. Tap account and help. You will see there my account. Tap it. For King's account, you can sign up with email or continue with Facebook. If you don't have account, tap login with email or create account. Already have King's account, enter your email address and password, or don't have one yet, tap sign up with email, enter your email, password, and you are set. Candy Crush will say your progress is synced. That means your level booster and gold bars are now safe across all devices. Also, sign in on your another phone or tablets with the same King's account to keep all the progress up to date even if you switch them. And that's it. Users sync Candy Crush Saga with your King's account like a pro. If you have questions, drop them in the comment. Smash that like if this helped. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick game tricks. See you in the next one.